Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the best way to create your Instagram logo for free on canva.com. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Chrome browser, open your profile, then in the URL box search for Canva. You can directly search on Google, but I will tell you to open canva.com on your home browser. Then you have to log in with your account. It's free. You can use your Gmail account as well as for logging on the Canva website. After logging on, just go to create a design option, as you can see here. Now here you have to type YouTube channel logo, so it will appear like here. Click on this. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you thousands of templates for making your YouTube logo. You can choose from them. It gives you recommendations and very unique recommendations. For example, I want to create a channel for my gaming YouTube channel, so I will search gaming logo, and you can see here it's so freaking awesome and the suggestions are dope. So for example, I want to create all are dope, and okay, I want to make this one my YouTube channel, and this one will be my logo. So I will try to change my name. So for example, I want to change this one. I don't want a gaming name, I want Aryan. And I can also change the color of the text by selecting it and go to here, this A option, and choose it to red. Now you can see my text is changed. You can also change the text font as well as this text size by minimizing and maximizing. Then after making the logo, just go to share and click on download and select the maximum size and click on download, and your channel logo will be downloaded in few seconds. So guys, that's what the video on how to create a YouTube logo for free on canva.com. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I keep posting this useful stuff, and thanks for watching.